Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the network timeout issue in ARC Raiders using a few simple steps. First, start with a basic restart. Fully close the game and make sure it is not running in the background. After that, restart your system. This can be your PC, PlayStation 5, or Xbox. A fresh restart clears temporary bugs and refreshes your network connection. Once your system is back on, launch the game again and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, the next step is to verify the game files. If you are playing on Steam, open the Steam app and go to your library. Find ARC Raiders in your list of games. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan and fix any missing or corrupted files. This process may take a few minutes. When it is done, restart the game and test your connection. Another helpful fix is to flush your DNS. On your PC, open the command prompt as an administrator. In the window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This will clear your DNS cache and refresh your network settings. After that, restart your computer to apply the changes. These steps usually fix most network timeout problems in ARC Raiders. If the issue still remains, it may be related to server problems or your internet provider. Thanks for watching.